Good morning, students. I am your computer teacher JP Gupta sir from Green Valley English School. So, student, in this video today I am going to start your new chapter formatting a document. In this video, we shall learn how to format a document, student. So now, first we shall talk about the formatting. So, student, let us see what formatting is. So, student, formatting is the way of changing the appearance of a text to make it attractive and to give the professional look. Student, we can create and design appealing documents by changing the fonts and its size. Students, by changing the margin, by changing the text style and color, and by using the bullet and number list, etc. Student, so MS Microsoft Word allows us many type of the formatting features. So let us see how to format the text and document in Microsoft Word. So student, first heading is changing the font type. So student, fonts are the characters of a specific size and design used for typing the text. So by default, students, while you type the text, the default font is Calibri. So this styles can be changed. So to change the font style, students, the following steps are taken. First is select the text and click on Home tab. Second step is student, click on the drop down arrow present next to the font style box as it is shown in the figure 6.1. student. Now here we select the desired font style from the displayed font list. Student, whenever you move your mouse pointer over it, the styles of the selected text will be changed. So you can observe the change, students, and you can select any one of the font style which you like. So students, in this manner we can change the style of font. So student, next heading is changing the text alignment. Alignment refer to the positioning of the text on a page. Students, by default in Microsoft Word, text are aligned left from the left side. Students, so by default left alignment is activated. MS Word provide four type of the alignment: align left, center, align right, and justify. Student, so let us see what are the uses of these different type of the alignment. First is students left alignment. So this alignment places all the selected text to the left margin. By default the text is always aligned to the left margin. Students, second is center alignment. This alignment set the text in the center of left and right margin. It is mostly used for titles and heading in the document. Students, third is right alignment. This alignment align all the selected text to the right margin. This is oftenly used placing the date and addresses in a document. Student, fourth is justify alignment. This alignment place the text evenly between the left and right margin. Student, this alignment is mainly used for designing the books, magazines, and newspapers content. So students, all these four alignment buttons are present in paragraph group in the home tab, student. So from there we can choose any one of them according to our requirement. Students, here are also given the step to change the alignment. So student, to change the alignment we have to select the text first of all which you want to be changed, and then we click on the desired alignment button in the paragraph group from the home button, student. Now whenever you click any one of these buttons, the alignment of the selected text will be changed. So students, in this manner we can change the alignment of the text.